me. The level 3 canvases are great, but try to work on all different sizes, all different shapes, and all different types of canvases. So it's level 1, 2, and 3. The technique I'm gonna be doing today is I want to do the puddle reverse ring again. I might just do a straight pour. I might do a combination of both. Honestly, I haven't thought that far into this yet. It's been a few days, so I wanted to get on and record for you guys. Or do a painting. Of course, darling. This is actually like a custom Prussian blue. This is oxide black. They probably on camera look very similar to one another, but one is a very dark blue, which is Prussian blue, but it's one that I made, and then this is oxide black. Okay, I'm just trying to talk because I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm gonna do the puddle reverse ring, but I like the idea of me doing it around the puddles versus like directly in the puddles. And another thing that I've been doing is after I poured out all the paint, I kind of splash it on the canvas. That also creates like some abstract effects and like different areas of interest in those puddled areas. So let's do that. Okay, I'm done talking for right now. So great. Okay, let's start stretching this out. Make sure it's not stuck. And then grab it over the sleeves up. I don't care if I get paint on them. That's what this shirt is for. Ooh, I like this a lot. I'm not too thrilled with this gray center here, so I'm trying to figure out how I can get it in the area to where I can either stretch it off or create some type of interest there. So I'm not thrilled about it at all. And I've lost a lot that I wanted over here. Trying to figure out what to do about this gray before I go through with tilting. So it might roll off by itself because I think something's a lot thinner than the other paints. Yeah, I have to get that gray off. I'm sorry, I was not liking that patch. I wasn't liking it at all. See, with the bar on the back, it makes this very easy to tilt. Let's put it down for a second. And I'm not really liking this part. So let's work it down. I'm just gonna have to see if I can stretch this out as much as I can. I don't like the white and I don't like the gray very much. Yeah, one of my paints is running faster than almost all the others. Now let's go down to this corner. So I have to get that off. I can't. I don't like it. It was more than enough paint on this canvas. More than enough. Look at all that paint. Okay, I put it down for a second. Sometimes you have to get up high and look at it. I love this area here, and I love what happened there. I just kind of want to stretch that off some more. So let me get off of here one more time. I'm gonna mess it up, there's no such thing, but I'm really liking the composition so far. Do I have any paint left to stretch? No, not really. Aside from me touching it again, I think that actually helped with the flow. But there's no more paint on the canvas to stretch it out. Definitely gonna have to leave it alone. I'm gonna have to see how it dries. But I absolutely love the color. The color combination is awesome. Okay. I'm getting my drips. Getting my drip drops. Just gonna have to see how it dries. Love that crackle through there, but I just would like this to shift down. I mean, I could do another reverse ring, but it's, to me, it's gonna look too obvious. If I was gonna do that, I should have did it a while ago. Here it is in all its beauty and all its glory. I love the color palette. Oh my gosh. These colors work so well together. This custom gray is just from leftover paints, honestly. I'm just not a fan of this white area here. I'm just not a fan of how it kind of blotched there. I love how this part like crackled there. I really like that a lot. And that's from the satin enamel, but I'm gonna see how it dries. There is a very thin layer of paint on the canvas, and then I'm not a fan of this gray area here, so we'll see. Thank you for watching.